Pilih deh. Lapan kutno ya ka East Khasi Hill District Athletic Meet RJRFR akan ikasni akan jingiran katlang ikong sana akan ikasi Madam M Lingwa DSEO Education Department akan ikasni ke jingil akai kalau ngob internet bah te jingil akai lapi hakilai tli kategori under 14 under 16 but under 18 the champion team akan kategori kilong nak under 14 boys lara ada 7 Hot Higher Secondary School but the girls lara ada Saint Mary Higher Secondary School. Naki under 16 boys lara ada Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School but nakaliang kintai lara ada Lorito Convent Shillong. Under 18 champion team is boys is Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School and under 18 girls is Saint Mary Higher Secondary School. But naki best athlete from under 14 boys is Jonathan Thank You from 7 Hot Higher Secondary School and from girls is Shiksha Pradhan from Lorito Convent Shillong. And best athlete from under 16 boys is M Halang Lingdo from Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School and girls is Chitra Malik from Saint Mary Higher Secondary School Shillong. And the best athlete from under 18 boys is Dunbok Shabong from Shillong College Higher Secondary School and from under 18 girls is Bethin G Makri Saint Mary Higher Secondary School.
On the part of the District Sports Authority to organize this Interschool District Athletic Meet 2022 after a gap of 2 years due to the pandemic. Important thing, but the happiness originating from the participation in itself is a highly cherished trophy. You are all winners in your own way in the long run. Your active and continued participation in sports and athletics will pay you rich dividends in terms of fitness, well-being, giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts with you all. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Madam, for thanks the SR in charge, Sri Gunan Chambai, for granting permission to use the athletic ground at Sai STC campus. Thank you so much, Sir Gunan. I would also like to thank our chief guest, Madam M Lingwa, DSEO of Education Department, for being present here among us in this final team event.
And the girl goes to Diane G.A. Samba from St. Anthony's High Secondary School with a height of 1.49 meter. Four minutes, 51.69 seconds.
Let's all give them a big round of applause. Diane J. Samba, Nina Vandendra, Rupa Gohai, with a timing of 4 minutes, 08.04 seconds. Come on, everybody should cheer up for the future athletes. And the best athlete for under 14 years boys goes to Jonathan Thank You from 795 Secondary School. Wherever you are, you get to run. 2 Louder. Okay. The best athlete from the 18 years boys goes to Dongbok Shaban from Senior College High Secondary School. Girls goes to. Any guess? Lori to Congress. You won the under 16 years girls category champion team. Congratulations. Yes, it goes to St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School.
Young, hey tú, llegó la picante. Young, hey tú, llegó la picante. 'Cause I've been waiting for you, but you wanna say that I'm too much for you. Young, hey tú, llegó la inene. I really don't care if I should leave. You tell me I'm wrong, but I got some questions all night long. Should know pincha on stay. On stay. On stay. On stay. On stay. On stay. On stay.
I hereby declare the Interschool district level athletic meet closed. Thank you.